Alright, we gotta make this video, we're gonna make it quick because we don't need a 2 to 3 minute video to fix the passenger window. We're at the pet emergency room, the battery died. Why is the Subaru battery only last for like an hour of radio? If you have a Subaru, you better make sure you have a halo bolt to jump start your battery. Anyway, let's get started. So here's the problem. After resetting the battery, the passenger window does not go up or down. The driver's side works fine. Put your car in on mode, like 2 clicks. Now what we're gonna do, over on the passenger side, we're gonna hold down, so the passenger button still works, so you're gonna hold this down for 5 seconds, and then you're gonna hold it up for 5 seconds. Let's go over there and see if it works. Okay, passenger side. I heard it. Holy cow, fixed. Thanks for watching. I really hope I kept this video under 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. I really hope I kept this video under 2 minutes because it takes like 10 seconds to fix that problem. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment. We have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching.